Hi everyone and welcome back to Dreadnought Productions. We've just entered 2019 and a lot of folks are celebrating, especially by setting off fireworks in various locations, including EVE Online. Today I've put together some in-game footage of 2018's New Year's pyrotechnics show at Jita 44. I myself will be setting off a few hundred fireworks of varying types, then we'll just watch the show for a while after that. So, some blue fireworks going off, fairly certain that's a command burst. I really not sure what those are, but yeah. So some few other things going on. Somebody suspect just came into the grid, but right. These fireworks really used up fast because like a 4-second cycle time. But yeah, at least they're pretty cheap, the varieties I'm using it in, right? Blue firework going off right over there in the top left. This is a really bad camera angle, I know. But yeah, some golden reddish fireworks going off the top left again. Yeah. Alright, so more of those golden red fireworks going off. I've just got the station targeted for my firework launchers. As long as I don't fire my missiles on it, should be fine. At any rate. But yeah, those red ones are prominent. At any rate, should have probably used a better camera angle for this. That was a really big firework that just went off there. Something big just went off in the top left. A lot of people are targeting the top left of, or wherever the top left of the station is for me. But yeah. And those are some fireworks going off at the top of the station. Looks like there's some fireworks going off at the monument as well. But and there's my tower, just launching off a lot of fireworks. Just a second, gonna look up something in the market. I'm not really that experienced at filming an EVE, so yeah, I apologize about that. And well, hopefully I'll get some better experience soon. Some more reddish fireworks going off a little ways out from the station. But yeah, at any rate, reload my launchers. And those are the last of my fireworks I'm going to use up now. So, some more red fireworks going off behind us. Yeah, they're also kind of golden, but more red, so. Anyway, right now my ship that I'm using, I'm just using a Talwar, but pretty standard fitting, except instead of 2 missile launchers, I've placed 2 of those with festival launchers, and of course I've hidden the past modules. But yeah, some big fireworks going off behind us. And well, at any rate, let's just sit back and watch for a while. But yeah. Also, I apologize if my audio quality is kinda low, but yeah. At any rate, some fireworks going off behind the station, kind of to the left of it. Unfortunately, the monument is hidden by my overview right now, but still some pretty big ones going off over there. You know, it'd be pretty cool if players in game could craft custom fireworks, or could manufacture them. Sorry, I'm thinking of other games, but yeah. Yeah, custom fireworks would be an interesting addition. It could be used for signaling, etc. I don't know. Anyway, just to get rid of the current varieties. We'd have to make it so you can't sell them on the market or anything. But yeah, I'm just targeting the station right now for my fireworks. Just gonna read up on the monument real quick, just to remind myself about that. Somebody is getting warp disrupted. And there's a suspect on the grid. Capsule. And apparently somebody's getting ganked right now. So, Concord will show up soon. Oh well. And now you see the trick with Jita. If you don't want to get ganked, you just don't fly in a hauler. Instead, you want to use some kind of combat ship where you wouldn't want to load cargo in it normally. But at any rate, yeah, something that can put up a bit of a fight if it gets hit. But yeah, switching to a different clip here. Got some more fireworks in front of the station. And behind, yeah. Yeah, well. They did a pretty good job with the fireworks in Eve. CCP at least did that pretty well. Oh. Pan around a little bit. Minimize those. And you know what? I don't like those closed. So I'm going to bring those back up. But yeah. Okay. So, thought I saw something go off at the monument. Some stuff going off in front of the station. Probably shouldn't zoom out this far next time, gonna be honest. But yeah. Some more stuff in front of the station. But, yeah. Okay, so, zooming back in. Pan around a little. Something big going off in front of the station. But, yeah. The monument's being bombarded again. But, yeah. Yeah, well. Some big fire. Actually, that looks more like a player exploding or something in front of the station. But, at any rate. Some more at the monument. Okay. Somebody setting off fireworks above the station. At any rate. And I am out of fireworks. Forgot to mention that. Oh. Looks like we're just watching and not contributing from this point. But yeah. Yeah. Sure is an interesting light show. Oh well, gonna watch from underneath for a while. Even though this isn't a very good camera angle. Some players setting off some fireworks in front of the station. Looks like the trade hub is still as active as ever, even with the time of night that this is at. But, yeah. Now, well, to the top right of the station, something just went off. Again, there, top right. But, yeah. And if you can see the monument well enough, some stuff's going off. Those are getting kind of annoying. Okay. But, yep, gonna pan out here. Rotate a little. Yeah, so we've got something to the right, or sorry, the left of the station. Sorry, can't remember directions right now. But yeah, no. Uh, hmm. Looks like the monument is having some stuff hit it. Gonna look at those for a while. Yeah, people sure are spending a lot of ISK on these fireworks. So, but yeah. At any rate, Oh yeah, and that reminds me, I injected one of my missile launchers I had in the cargo, see if I could create a cargo container to launch stuff at, but yeah, apparently it's not in my overview, so dang it. Yeah. I'm gonna look at the monument again. But at any rate, some big ones in front of the station. And I apologize about the bad audio quality. I intend to get better at that over future videos. But at any rate, and we are just going to orbit the station at 30 kilometers, turn on the micro warp drive. Dang it, we missed some fireworks behind us. Yeah, and then just track the monument. This is a camera angle, or a trick I picked up from a different video. But yeah. And if you pan though, that kind of breaks your camera angle. So, gotta make sure that you don't pan around while doing this. And as you can see in the top left, somebody's written something with mobile depot, or depots. Again, that really gets annoying after a while, because it causes a lot of lag. I've seen some pretty big stuff written in the sky with those. They are not fun. Okay. So, this camera angle's working a little better. Probably should have turned off the tactical overlay or whatever it's called. But yeah, it's a useful tool. Once you know how to use it, at any rate, gonna look back at my ship, find something else to track. And even in a Talwar, which is a rather fast kiting ship, as far as I remember, that's what it's supposed to do, but uses an MWD for high speed, and yeah, being a nice medium range sniper, and does pretty well against that, especially against frigates. But even with its speed, orbiting at 30 kilometers still takes a while. So, yep, and that is it. The stars in the systems in game are still pretty bright, so yeah, that kind of ruins it a little. You can see on the stations the light reflecting from fireworks still fairly well. At any rate, but yeah, next time I will turn off my tactical overlay. But yeah, what else will I track? Let's do that. And yeah, still a good method of getting good camera angles though. People are setting off a lot of them in front of the station. It will. At any rate, that's really lighting up the station. But yeah, something slightly above the station. And unfortunately, I don't think I got footage of when it turned to 12 o'clock. At least in my time zone, somebody had a praxis at the very top of the station. They just shot it with fireworks bunch. Wish I'd gotten some camera footage of that. And somebody is warp scrambling. Dang it, didn't catch that part. Yeah. Wish I would have caught a pod or something in this video. Sniper abilities of this ship are pretty good for small ships. Even though it doesn't beat some extreme sniper fits, it's still pretty good. Gets a decent range with those launchers. So, somebody is setting off fireworks on top of the station, apparently. Turn off my sensor boosters. And then, yep. But yeah, somebody's still shooting fireworks off, so, yep. Yeah, well. Yeah, I am fairly certain those are command burst charges, or whatever they're called. The big things in the, yeah, they're big golden balls. If somebody could comment on that and tell me what those are, that would be great, because you see a lot of them in Jita, and I'd prefer to know what they are. So yeah, tracking the monument again. Just gonna watch from there. But yeah, station's really getting lit up today. Yeah, normally people don't set off fireworks like this. But yeah. At any rate, yeah, sorry about the clutter with all the ships and the tactical overlay and stuff. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, we'll have to fix that later. Wonder if there's a camera mode. And we'll find out about that later. Let's focus on one of these here, mobile depots, or whatever I just clicked on. But yeah. Now let's go back to my ship. Oh well. And we've got a little under 2 minutes left in the video. But yeah. At any rate, last clip here. It's rather short, but oh well. Still shows the fireworks. Oh good, I did get the footage of that. Yippee. Oh. Yeah, I think it's Praxis they were bombarding in this. Oh. And the Praxis is a great ship, even if last time I got one blown up, I fitted it very poorly due to lack of experience. But it's a fairly good ship if you use it right. Its only problem is it's very, very slow. But yeah. Yeah. Happy New Year's, everybody, though. At any rate. But yeah. Okay. So, some more stuff going off. CCP did, nicely with the visuals for the game as well. Gotta give them that. But yeah. Even if they've been kinda cruddy at other things. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. And, please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.